This right here is Eric's birthday campout. It's not often that when people say online, let's get together and send it, that anything actually transpires. But here's a story of when some full senders actually get together. And let's take it back to the first night that we met. Here we are 2 seconds into the trail ride, and we got a big old tree going right across it. Without any hesitation at all, Eric breaks out a full-size chainsaw and gets to work. I couldn't do much filming because I had to get to work too. We continued onward and upward, and y'all know how it goes. Camera doesn't do it justice. This is actually a little river crossing here. Eric's tires aren't too snowstorm rated, but he'll pin it till he makes it on through. In total, we ended up cutting up and clearing out 6 trees on our way up, and we'll come back to that. And here's camp we're making our way up towards. Diesel heaters are keeping the campers nice and toasty. And we got a nice big old fire pit out here.
Bundling up your edges?
Yo, bundling up. On a gnarly uphill, just cleared a path in this. See if the boys can make it up now. Took a couple rounds. Hell yeah, we got her though. Damn, boy. Hell yeah. Yo, let's go.
Hell yeah, boys.
Hell yeah. Let's go.
Good work. Alright, so we got another slight uphill, like in a little bit. And then it's going to level out a little bit. And you're going to be running like a ridge somewhat.
Eric was explaining the trail to us on the way up. Due to his tires' performance, he could no longer take the lead, so he wanted to make sure we didn't go rolling off the side of the hill. And right here is actually where that's a very real possibility.
Down the hill now.
toboggan.
Dude, hell yeah, that slid right into place. Hold on real quick. Oh, shit. Ready.
Yo.
Dude. Yo, so this is, I think, a little sketchy right here where he was talking about how it dips to the right. So stay up on the left. Hug up on the left.
Gotcha.
Try not to bump yourself too much or you slide down.
Even pulling in the camp was a little kooky.
Nice. Hell yeah, boy.
Yo, check my right near your truck. I don't want to go.
Yeah, I'm a swing. I can swing this over.
Swinging the arm over.
Yeah. I mean, you might want to work it a couple times back and forth. Yeah, you're a little close on this.
No, but what I'm saying
That's why the shots are getting a little pressure right now because of snow on the fucking.
I was like, no. It's like, I just put those on. Those are the new ones. Oh, wait, no, they're actually not. No.
And I just,
What's it got? Suctions to the window?
yeah, that's what
That just stays. You just keep that on there all year round.
Oh shit! Can't see that.
It was so cold that all 6 of my camera batteries went from 100% to 0 in no time. Fortunately, Eric had some beautiful captures and edits, and we'll close out the video with that.